Staple channel rebuild for the model 445 FS power stapler. Remove the adapter foot and staple channel from the stapler. Also separate the staple channel from the adapter foot. Remove the 4 3/4-inch socket head cap screws from the steel foot. Remove the steel foot. Remove the 2 3/8-inch socket head cap screws that are holding the gate plate and gate to the channel. Remove the gate plate. Check the gate and gate plate for any wear or obstruction. Remove the 2 hex head screws holding the gate to the channel. Remove the gate. Slide the staple pusher out of the channel. Remove the 1/4-inch screw from the pusher spring. Remove the spring. Though rarely necessary, you can disassemble the channel further by removing the 2 bottom screws. Slide out the inner channel core. Staple channel is ready for reassembly. To reassemble the channel, slide the channel core between the 2 shaft guides. Reinstall and tighten the channel base screws. Install the pusher spring with the 1/4-inch flathead cap screw. Reinstall the staple pusher. While holding the staple pusher back, place the gate at the end of the channel. Reinstall the 2 1/2-inch gate screws to the center of the gate. Set the gate plate over the gate. Use the 2 3/8-inch socket head cap screws to attach the gate plate to the gate. Tighten firmly. Put the steel foot over the gate plate. Use the 4 3/4-inch socket head cap screws to reinstall the steel foot. Firmly tighten all 4 screws. Staple channel rebuild is now complete.